Becoming a scientist requires certain ingredients.
If I had a spoon of science and if I need to tell what it has, I would probably say, well, it has a lot of curiosity, a ton of patience, some love, yeah, love for sure. I think that what inspires me is just to sit and see how the animals are interacting with each other. I remember like since I was a boy feeding the spiders with bugs. It was the curiosity to see what happens.
It's like a mental sport, isn't it? You walk around and you ask, why, how does it work? It's who we are. I still don't feel like an expert in my field, and I don't think I ever will be. Maybe there is a very small field that I was an expert at for a little while, and then but I'm curious, so I love switching directions.
I never realized how much, as an actual researcher, you really need to use the creative side of your brain. I mean, coming up with the ideas to know what questions are interesting, and then as you start to come up with ways to test those ideas, there's a constant need to develop new methods. You have to be creative and use what tools you have out there to make an experiment work.
Finishing a project requires a lot of commitment and to be focused. For me, that has been a problem, but I think that I'm learning how to do it now.
Oh, when I first started my line of research, I think I definitely did not have all the tools that I needed to really make it work. It took a number of years and sort of trying things and learning as I went.
I've had moments where I've quit science because I thought that it was just too difficult, and I felt that I didn't have what it takes to become a successful scientist. The hardest moment for me was being confronted with a new field of research and not knowing where to start, which were the important and relevant questions, how to tackle them, on which angle to enter a particular field, and what to do to develop hypotheses and design experiments. That was traumatic and difficult, but after that, I feel very able and very capable. So this difficult experience gave me this sensation or this sense that I can do things. So that's pretty good. When you finish something, there's always many more questions than you will ever be able to answer. But that's what I love about science.